Hello guys, how are you? Hey, I have a very special friend here with me today. Wanna see him? So, come on friend! Look at this! This is Pete. Pete is a bird and he likes to fly freely in the sky. Do you want to make a friend for you just like Pete? There in your house? So I will teach you how, okay? You will need mom or dad's help, but it's not difficult. It's very easy. So here is everything you need. A colored sheet of paper, a pencil, a red colored pen to color the bird's beak, a black one to mark the eyes, some glue, scissors, mommy or daddy will help you with this, and a round object just to mark and cut the bird's head. All right, let's start. First, we are going to fold the sheet of paper in order to have a square. Put the edges together, okay? Adjust the edges, press here, press again, and now we are going to mark this part. Use the pencil and let's mark. All right, now we are ready to cut this part here. Ask mom or dad to help you, okay? And cut it right on the line. All right, let's keep this piece of paper, okay? So now we have a square. Let's fold it in half and cut right here. Okay, now we have two triangles. Let's fold this big triangle in half in order to have a small triangle like this. It's the body of the bird. Now get the piece of paper you reserved and let's fold it in half. All right, press here too. And let's cut it right on the mark. Fold it in half. Press one side, press the other side, just like this. Let's put these two parts together and cut right here. Let's glue the two parts together. Put some glue here. Press it. Now on the other side. Let's do the same. Put some glue. And press it. Get that piece of paper left and let's draw 2 circles on it. 1, 2, 2 circles. Let's cut. Let's cut the circles. 1, 1 circle. 2, 'And now we have 2 circles. We are going to glue the circles right here. Leave a tip for the beak of the bird. Put some glue. This is the beak. Okay, this is the beak. Now let's do the same on the other side. Put some glue. Let's put some glue here too, to join the circles. Now let's color the beak of the bird with the red colored pen. Let's do it on one side and on the other side. Get the black colored pen and mark the eyes of the bird. Make a little dot. Make a little dot. Now get the last piece of paper left, fold it in half, mark, and cut it right on the mark. Let's glue it here on the wing. A little bit of glue. Let's do the same on the other side. Some glue here. Okay. And use the scissors to make small cuts like these. And separate them randomly. One side, the other side. That's it. Hold the bird here and let's see if it flies. Wow, great! Very good, guys. Great job. Did you like it? I loved it. All right, so hope you and Pete play a lot. Okay, I hope you play a lot together. Bye bye.